Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification.
Hello my lovely kids, welcome back to our learning class. In the previous video, we learned C for cat and D for dog. Today we will learn how to write the letters C and D. So take your notebook and pencil. Sit nicely and write with me. Are you ready kids? Let's start our writing practice. Look kids, this is the letter C. Now I will show you how to write C. Step 1. Start from the top. Step 2. Make a curve like a half circle. Step 3. Slowly bring the line down. Great! Now we made the letter C. Let's say together C for cat. Now kids, try to write C in your notebook. Very good. Now look at this letter. This is the letter D. This is the letter D. Let's write it together. Step 1. Draw a straight line down. And step 2. Make a big curve from top to bottom. Great! Now we made the letter D. Let's say together. D for dog. Now kids, write D in your notebook. Excellent work. Revision time. Let's repeat again. C for cat. D for dog. Practice writing these letters every day. Today we learned how to write C and D. In the next class we will learn E for elephant and F for fish. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next learning video. Bye-bye kids.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye kids. कल हम इसी तरह की वीडियो के साथ फिर मिलेंगे.